Example 4 says, Tunde's family is composed of Tunde, his wife, their son, and their 2 daughters. What percentage of the family is A, male, B, female, C, adult, D, children, and E, adult male? So let's try to understand Tunde's family. What I'm going to do, I'm going to represent it in a tabular form. So if this is Tunde's family, so this table will guide us in getting the number of all of this, and thereafter we shall then convert them to percentage. So the question is, if it is a yes, I'm going to write a 1. If it's a no, I'm going to present it with a 0. Now, is Tunde a male? Yes. Is Tunde female? No. Is Tunde, who is the father, an adult? Yes. Is he a child in the family? No. Is he an adult male? Yes. What about the wife? Is the wife a male? No. Is she a female? Yes. Is she an adult? Yes, being the mother. Is she a child of the family? No. Is she an adult male? No. The son, is the son a male? Yes. Female? No. In this context, is not an adult. Is he a child? Yes. Is he an adult male? No, he's a male, but not an adult male. As said by the question, although it's not being specific, but if we are told that the child is an adult, then we would have included it. But for now, my own interpretation is that he is not an adult. None of the child is an adult. So for the daughter, first daughter, this is 0. Female, yes. Is she an adult? No. A child? Yes. An adult male? No. She's neither an adult or a male. Same thing goes with the second daughter. So this is 0, 1, 0, 1. So having done all of this, we shall then take the total number of males, total number of females, adult children, and adult male. So for the number of males, we have 1, 2. So this is said to be 2. For females, we have 3. For adults, we have 1, 2. And for children, we have 3, while adult male is 1. Now, what about the total number of persons in that family? They are said to be Tunde himself, the wife, the son, and their 2 daughters, meaning they are equal to 5. So we have gotten the total number of persons in that house and all the required data. Now for A is asking us to find what percentage of the family is male. We should first of all get the fraction that are said to be male. And the fraction of males in that house, which is A, we said percentage of male. So for us to find the percentage of male, the percentage of male is to first of all find the fraction of males that we have. We have 2 males in that family, so this is equal to 2 out of the total number of persons in the family, which is 5. So expressing this as a percentage, we are now going to look for a factor that when we multiply it by 5, it gives us 100, and we'll also do same with the numerator. So if you multiply 5 by 20, it gives you 100. So I'm also going to multiply the numerator by 20. So this is said to be 40 over 100. What that means is that 40% of the family members are said to be male. B is asking us to find the percentage of females. So for the females, we have 3 of them. So this is equal to 3 divided by 5 is equal to what over 100? So you also multiply this by 20 and the numerator by 20, which is 60. So it therefore means that 60% of the family is said to be females. The next is adult. C, we have to look for adult, and the total number of adults we have in that family is said to be 2, which is just the mother and the father. So this is said to be 2 over 5, and 2 over 5 is equivalent to dash over 100. Same 20, so you multiply the numerator by 20, and this gives you 40 over 100, which is said to be what? 40%. So 40% of the family are said to be adults, while children, D, number of children we have in the family is just 3, which is the son and the 2 daughters. That is 3 over 5. 3 out of 5 is equivalent to what over 100? So you multiply this by 20, and same with this to get 60 over 100, which means that 60% of the family members are said to be children. And E, we are asked to find adult male. Adult male, we have adult male just to be 1 over 5, which is the father, which is Tunde, is said to be equal to dash over 100. So what will you multiply by 5 to give you 100? Is said to be 20, and when you multiply the numerator, also you have 20 over 100, which is said to be what? 20%. So 20% of the family members are said to be adult, which is just the father. How do you feel about this question? Let me know at the comment section. Kindly like my videos as you watch, while I recommend that you subscribe to my channel if you are yet to do so. Also turn on the notification bell so as to be notified whenever a new video is being uploaded. You can also use the comment section to interact with me on areas that are still difficult for you to understand. You can also share the link with your friends and families so that they can also benefit from our classes.